Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Black Widow outfit on Dress to Impress. Hopefully I remember everything because I used a lot, and I mean a lot. You do need VIP for this. For the outfit, I'm just going to remove the ones that I did no accessory adjustments on. For the hair, I used this hair in this color 945510 Z.51, and that's it for the adjustments. And then this one I did no adjustments on it. I used the spray in the same color. Positioned the X at 0.44, rotated the Z to 0.39, scaled it to 0.21. Then for the belt, I did use the cowboy belt here in red, black, red, black, red, black. So just do that. Position the Y 0.45, Z 0.49, and scaled it to 0.52. Now for the outfit, we're going to be using a lot of armor, so select this first. Color it white in matte, and then we're going to select this gray in matte, and then matte in this gray again, just like a like darker, sorry, like a lighter gray, sorry. And then select this, and then again in white in matte, and then gray in matte, and then gray in matte. Select this. You can't really mattify this, I think, so I'm just going to color it white, and then maybe gray for the second toggle. I'll just do white, can't see that clearly anyways. Then I use this dress in white in matte, and then matte in like and then in gray, but like just like a little bit difference like that maybe. Hello. Okay, let's just do this color. And then I'm just color the belt white, and then I'll color the zipper gray. Then we are going to also put this belt on. Color it black, and then red, and then red again. And then the rest is just all black. Then we are going to get these pants in type 2, sorry. Color it white. Then get these shoes, color it white in matte. Then again, white in matte. And then white. And then you can also get this for the accessories. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!